Good morning everyone. Welcome back in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the NCERT exercise of class 9 science, uh, which is based on the laws, force and laws of motion. Under the previous session we have completed some numerical problem up to the question number 14. So in this sequence we will discuss about the numerical problem which is based on the NCERT exercise. So now let us start the first question of in this video. Question number 15. So in this question, an object of mass 1 kg traveling in a straight line with a velocity of 10 meter per second collides with and sticks to a stationary wooden block of mass 5 kg. Then they both move off together in the same straight line. Calculate the total momentum just before the impact and just after the impact. Also calculate the velocity of the combined object. So here is some clue is given in this question. The first clue is given here. Mass of the object. Mass of the object. Mass of the object. M1 is given here. M1 is given here 1 kg. 1 kg. And 1 kg traveling in a straight line with a velocity of 10 meter per second. So velocity of the object is given here, that is the 10 meter per second. So velocity of the object, velocity of the object is given here, that is 10 meter per second. V1 10 meter per second. So now in this question, velocity of 10 meter per second collides with and sticks to stationary wooden block of mass 5 kg. Okay, so here is the first we can write here the total momentum just before the impact. So total momentum just before impact. So we know that the momentum of any body, that is the product of mass and velocity. So here is the total momentum just before impact, that is the mass and velocity. So mass is given here 1 and velocity is given here 10 meter per second. So m1 into v1, that the product of mass and velocity is known as the momentum. So 1 into 10, that is total momentum 10 kilogram meter per second. So now next is they both move off together in the same straight line. So it is clear that we know that the principle of conservation of momentum, total momentum just before the impact is same as the total momentum after the impact. So it is clear that total momentum after the impact, total momentum after the impact is same as the total momentum total momentum before impact. Before impact. So in this question, total momentum after the impact is same as the total momentum before the impact. So these are the principal laws of the principle of the conservation of momentum. So it is clear that total momentum just before the impact is 10 kg. So total momentum after the impact, that is 10 kilogram meter per second. So in this sequence, that is wooden block, then they both move up together in the same straight line. So calculate the total momentum just before the impact and just after the impact. Also calculate the velocity of the combined object. So here is the object of mass 1 kg and wooden block. So here the mass of the object and mass of the block. So mass of the object is given here 1 kg and mass of the block is here given 5 kg. Then 1 kg plus 5 kg, that is 6 kg. So next, calculate the total momentum just before the impact and just after them. I also calculate the velocity of the combined object. So it is clear that velocity of the combined object, suppose that v2. So velocity of combined object suppose that v2, then mass of the object and mass of the block plus mass of the block is given 1 kg plus 5 kg, that is 6 kg. So what is the velocity of the combined object? So here is the, according to the principle laws of the principle of conservation of momentum, according to principle of law of conservation of momentum, then we know that the m1 v1 plus m2 v2 equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2, then m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. So here the m1 mass of the object is given here 1 kg and the mass of the object is given here 1 kg. Then value of v2 equal to m1 v1 by m2. So mass of the object is given here 1 kg, 1 kg into velocity of the object is given at 10 meter per second, 10, and mass of the block is given here, that is 6 kg. Then 5 by 3 meter per second. So it is clear that the velocity of the block is here 5 by 3 meter per second. So velocity of the combined object velocity of combined object is 5/3 meter per second. So in this question, there are some clue is given here. Mass of the object, that is the m1 is given here 1 kg, and velocity of the object v1 is 10 meter per second. So it is clear that total momentum just before impact, that is the m1 v1. The mass of object is 1 and velocity of the object is here 10. 1 into 10. Then total, we know that the laws of the principle of conservation of momentum. So total momentum after the impact is same as the total momentum before the impact. So total momentum after impact, that is 10 kilogram meter per second. Next, mass of, what is the velocity of the combined object together here? So first we can write here mass of the object plus mass of the block is here. Mass of the object is given here 1 kg and mass of the block is given here 5 kg. Then 1 plus 5, that is 6 kg. So velocity of the combined object, suppose that v2. So here the apply the law of conservation of momentum is here. So according to the principle of law of conservation of momentum, we know that the total momentum is same as the total momentum before the impact, same as the after the impact. So it is clear that m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. So in this equation, that is the v2 equal to m1 v1 by m2. So put the value of m1 v1 and m2 is here. Mass of the object is given here 1 and velocity is 10, and the mass of the combined together here, that is 6 kg. Then the value of 1 into 2 by 6, we can write here the 5/3 meter per second. So it is clear that the velocity of the combined object is here, that is the 5/3 meter per second.